Haley. Haley. Of course. You just ate. You just ate your food. Let's go help your brother. Can you give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Good job. Give him his passy. What a good big sister. There you go. Say, shh, it's okay, baby. Can you say, it's okay? Yeah. Thank you.